Good morning, this is Leo at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard the all-new redesigned 2020 Harris Solstice 230. First thing you'll see is the nice high fencing with lots of supports coming up to the very top of the furniture. Oversized bimini top, plenty of sun coverage. As we come around to the transom of the boat, stainless steel railing wrapping around the sun deck. Mercury 200 horsepower engine, underwater lights, stainless prop. Boarding's made extremely easy thanks to the 4-step extra wide boarding ladder. As we come aboard, you'll see the nice seagrass flooring. Huge rear sunbed, which converts between 3 positions. As you see now, it's currently a forward-facing bench to give you more interior seating. The backrest flips opposite way to give you a large rear-facing sun pad, and it also folds down completely flat to give you a completely flat sunbed. Notice the recessed cup holders with phone charging stations, armrest, in-floor storage, deluxe helm that flips up for storage, oversized high-back helm seat with armrest and flip-up bolster, digital throttle, and tons of seating on the bow of this boat. Once again, you'll see our recessed cup holders with USB charging ports throughout the boat. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today and ask for Leo to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned boats, or call me direct, 407-394-7623. And this is Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach.